Hello students, as you know, I'm telling you seventh chapter of the book Footprints Without Feet, and the name of the chapter is The Necklace. In my last video, I told you that Matilda's husband bought an invitation card for her to join a minister's party, but she was not happy because she was not having any suitable costume for the party. And her husband asked her for the cost of a suitable dress which could be used in other occasions also, some simple dress. And first of all she thought for some time, and she thought suppose she tells the amount which her husband could not bear, and immediately he refuses. So first of all she thinks for some time, and after calculating, and then finally she said in a hesitating voice, I can't tell exactly. Okay, she told that she could not tell exactly, but it seems to her that 400 francs ought to cover it. Means she can buy a good dress in 400 francs. And as you know, he was a poor clerk. So 400 franc is a currency. So, listening 400 francs, he just turned a little pale because it was a big amount for him. And he had saved this money to buy a gun for himself so he could join some hunting parties the next summer with his friends who went to shoot lark on Sunday. Still, he said, okay, I'll give you that money, 400 francs, but try to have a pretty dress. Now, the day of the ball arrived, but Matilda seemed sad. Mademoiselle is Matilda herself. She was looking sad, disturbed, and anxious. Although her dress was almost ready, then one day her husband asked her in the evening, what is the matter with you? Means why she is disturbed and why she is acting strangely for 2 or 3 days. Then she answered, I'm very much disturbed not to have a jewel, nothing to adorn myself with. Means she is not having any jewelry, and if she doesn't have any jewelry, she will be look like a poor lady, poverty stricken lady. And then she said, I would prefer not to go to this party. And she said, it is better not to go to this party. He replied, you can wear some natural flowers in this season, they look very chic. Means he advised, Mr. Lozel advised his wife to wear some natural flowers, the jewelry of natural flowers, and he said this is the season of flowers and they will look very chic. But she was not convinced. She replied, no, there is nothing more humiliating than to have a shabby air in the midst of rich women. Means it is humiliating for her that when she will go among the rich ladies, rich women, she will give the smell of flowers. Then suddenly her husband thought of something, and then said, he exclaimed that they were very much stupid, and advised her to go to her friend's house and find out some jewels from her. Okay, and her friend was Ma'am Forrester, who was a rich lady, and her husband told her to go there and ask for some jewels. She was also happy after listening this, and then she was agreed, yes, it is true, I had not thought of that. The next day she took herself to her friend's house. Means she went to her friend's house and told her story of distress to her. And then Ma'am Forrester, who was her close friend since childhood, she went to her almirah closet. Then she took out a large jewel case. She opened it and she told her to choose any of the jewels. She saw different kind of ornaments like bracelets, collar pearls, Venetian cross of gold, and different jewels with admirable workmanship. She was trying also these jewels before the glass. She was hesitated also in doing so. But she was just confused what to do. She was neither decide to take them or nor to leave them. Then she asked her friend, "Don't you have anything else?" And then she said, "Yes, look for yourself. I don't know what will please you." And then suddenly she discovered in a black satin box a superb necklace of diamonds. Her hands were traveling. It was so beautiful that her hands were traveling as she took it out. She placed it about her throat against her dress. And she was so happy to see this. Then she, in hesitating voice, asked her friend, with full of an, "Could you lend me this? Only this?" Okay, she asked to lend that necklace from her friend. Okay, the remaining story I'll tell you in my next video.